Welcome to Cem-Rock NGO board installation video. Gather all necessary tools and materials for building. Necessary tools include circular saw, square, level, multi-tool, tape measure, pencil, razor blade, sheetrock drill, and screws. Once all tools and materials are gathered, it's time to set up your workstation. Sahar Sorabe frame style is suitable for application. Ensure workspace is clean and free of any debris. Now that everything is prepped for installation, it's time to make any necessary measurements. Mark measurements on Cem-Rock boards. Cut NGO board using score and snap method with razor blade, or make cuts with circular saw. Score and snap method is recommended. Trim any outlet openings with multi-tool. Once NGO board is cut, hold the board in place. Ensure board's edge is level before screwing to stud. Screw boards to studs. Repeat process until all boards are hung up.